Hey guys, it's JoJo from All Heroes. Have you ever wanted to choreograph your own lightsaber fight? Me too. So this video is going to teach you how to be the attacker, and we're going to learn all the attacking positions and where to hit and all the stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. And I'm going to show you from a bunch of different angles. So hopefully it's easy to figure out. So pretend you're the attacker and you're going to attack me, okay? So when you attack me, you start with the right. Starting from top, right. So you would attack my left shoulder, which is you swinging from the right. So starting like that, it would be 1, 2 on the shoulders, 3 and 4 is the knees, 5, 6 is the hips, 7 is an uppercut, 8 is a down slash, and then 9 is a stab. So if I was the attacker and you were being attacked, I would attack you like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So we're gonna do that from a couple different angles so you guys can see what that looks like. So from the side, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when you practice this, you want to actually take a step with each one. So if you're swinging on the right, step with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, okay? So the reason you want to do that and mix it up with numbers is so when you write it down and choreograph it, it's easier for you and your partner to know which numbers to do. So you can be like, I'm attacking a 1, so they know they need to block a 1, okay? So making choreographed, written out lightsaber fights will be a lot simpler if you learn it like that. So for example, I did this fight with my sister, and the attacking stuff is pretty easy because it's always just like attack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, okay? There's not really any weird things like that unless you like specifically want to do like a twirl before you do a 5, you know? Or if you want to do a 5 after you spin and like do a 5 like that or something like that. But other than that, usually the complicated stuff is with the defender. So that's gonna be a whole video on its own because you got inverted blocks, behind the back blocks, and things like that. So yeah, basic video to start how to choreograph lightsaber fights is the attacker, and it's basically pretty easy. So yeah, and you guys can always just look at the chart of where to attack. So if I'm the defender, like I said, you would attack my left shoulder first. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's basically pretty simple. So go choreograph some fights and send them to me on Instagram or TikTok, and I'll watch them and I'll rate them and I'll tell you guys what I think. So yeah, see you in the next video.